Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you have seen my videos onto business analyst courses wherein we have discussed so many things about what business analyst does, what all different quality business analyst should have, how to perform business analyst work, what all different things like stakeholder identification, what all different requirement gathering techniques, business analysis techniques we have discussed so far. So hopefully those videos or the material you are looking at it's informative, I believe so, and you're getting some benefit out of it. Now, I was just feeling like once you have all this knowledge and what all things business analysts do or what all business analysis techniques are or requirement gathering techniques are, generally what people feel like how to start the work. Yeah. So what all things you have to remember before starting the work. So thought to give you a small background that what all things you have to take care or keep in mind, or to start with what all steps you need to follow. So first thing first, you have to decide your business analyst approach. How you are going to analyze the data, what are different requirement, or you can say believing looking at the high level requirement, how you are going to proceed. So first you have to identify your approach. Then you have to basically sit along with the project managers who are looking at the project end to end, the timelines. So you have to understand the timeline, understand the project plan so that you can align yourself or align your goals accordingly and you are able to meet them. Yeah. Then like how stakeholders will get engaged, how many stakeholders you have to make a list, make a timeline of those stakeholders, like who is going on leave. You have to have all these information, who as per what is the availability of these stakeholders, so that when you go ahead and schedule review meetings and any other one-on-one interviews or any requirement gathering sessions, you have to ensure that stakeholders are available, because without them you will not be able to proceed. What will be the governance model, how you have to report, like fortnightly, weekly, how many reports you have to produce, how many people you have to inform, all these things you have to first document and you have to follow. Basically after these things, these are kind of governance and who are your stakeholder. You have identified your stakeholder, you have to finalize your business analysis approach, you have to finalize your requirement gathering approach, you have to make sure you understand the availability from stakeholders, you make sure what is the project plan, what is the end date, what is go live date, what are different phases within the project, which will help you to understand the timelines, and basically you can align yourself accordingly. Another thing, when you start documenting, so basically any BRS or any document when business analysts produce, there are few things which we have to look at it. What is the background of the project, what is the project you are looking at it. So you have to make sure you understand the background from your stakeholder, from your propositions manager, from your customer or business or whoever is the primary source of requirement. You have to understand the background of the high level requirement. Then the proposal overview and proposal summary, which is very important. What is the proposal, what is the business proposal you are looking at it. So this is something you have to look at it. What all proposal benefits are there, because until and unless there are no benefits, the project is not going to proceed. So you have to always make sure you understand what all different benefits are there as part of this project when you are bringing on some change. What is in scope, what is your scope of work, which this thing is very much important, because if you understand the scope of your work, understand the boundaries of your work, you'll be able to gather the requirement correctly within that scope, within that boundary, which will help you ensure you're not doing rework, you're not doing overwork, you're not getting into different things. Yeah. So things which are required, which are in scope, as a BA you have to ensure that the same piece of work is migrating to different phases. Another thing is out of scope. So once we understand what is in scope, you have to also understand what is out of scope. What all different assumptions are there, what all different dependencies are there, what all different constraints are there, is there any risk in the project, is what all different supporting documents are there. Say for instance, proposition manager has given you some high level goal presentation. Somebody has sent you one email about the information about the project. Somebody has sent you some word document about the constraints, about any assumptions or any other documents you have. You have as is documents. Somebody has done the BRS document before you, or it is there in the repository, so you have to understand those documents and take it into your account. Make sure you make a share folder of all these documents. Generally nowadays we have a shared drives across all organizations wherein all the necessary documents are kept. So you should also follow the organization rules and regulation. Put your document, create one folder and put all your documents, supporting documents there, so that you can refer from one central repository. And also your list of stakeholders, their leave planner, the project plan, the previous design, all these are kind of supporting documents which will help you to understand the new requirement, to understand the benefits of the new requirement, to understand the reason why you are bringing on this change. So these are the few things I wanted to discuss with you in between our regular sessions. Very soon I am going to come back with the new video wherein I will discuss these things in detail. If you want some more details about it, you can comment, you can ask your questions. I am happy to answer those questions. If you are facing any difficulties in your projects, you can comment on there. I am happy to help. I can personally help also. I am not running any paid services, so if you have any queries about your project, you are stuck somewhere, you want to start some new assignment, you want some help initially, so during the weekend we can have a quick call or quick chat or WhatsApp or mobile phones. I am happy to answer those queries and I am happy to help you guys. So hopefully this information which I am sharing with you all is helping you guys, and you are getting some benefit out of it. If you are really looking at my video, if you like those videos, kindly share, subscribe, like, comment your feedback and spread my business analyst introduction session 1 video, session 2 video, all these videos among your business analyst friends, so that they can also get the benefit out of it. So that's what I wanted to cover today. Have a nice evening, day ahead. Have a nice work week ahead. Hope you guys enjoy your life. Thank you.